Hi friends, it's Jessie here. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. For today's video, I have something I haven't done on my channel in a really long time. It's a Meals of the Week video. So all that this is me popping in every day after I've made my dinner to share with you what I cooked for my family of 4. I thought doing this video would be a really good way to keep me motivated to actually cook every day rather than eating out. We're trying to eat out a little bit less, enjoy some home-cooked meals, stick to our budget. So I thought sharing with you would be a really good idea. So hopefully you enjoy this video. It's going to be super kind of short and simple, not a lot of complicated meals or overly fancy meals, just what I'm feeding my family on busy weeknights. So if you like this kind of content, let me know by giving this video a thumbs up or leaving me a comment down below. And without further ado, let's get into what we ate for dinner this week. Alright, my friends, so it is Tuesday now. I actually cooked dinner yesterday, but I did not film it. We had spaghetti and meatballs, nothing fancy, but it was delicious. Doesn't hold a candle to this meal, though. This meal my husband put together. Well, it was kind of a team effort. I seasoned the chicken. He did everything else, so really he put this together. So we have chicken leg quarters here that we did with a dry rub, and then my husband smoked on the smoker. When I tell you guys that my mouth is watering looking at this, it looks so good. We've got some zucchini. We bought a couple of huge zucchini from a little roadside stand, and he roasted that up. And then we also have some rice-a-roni style, like chicken flavored rice, that looks really good as well. So this is dinner for Tuesday night. Okay, so it is Wednesday night now, and it is over 100 degrees outside in Southeast Michigan. Way too hot to be cooking a big meal, so we just doctored up some sandwiches really quickly, and I made it a meal and made it special by using these all butter croissants here that we got from the Walmart bakery. You can turn just a simple sandwich into something a little bit fancier by switching up the bread or topping it a little bit differently than you do just a typical lunchtime sandwich. On my sandwich here, I have some turkey, some Munster cheese, there's a slice of bacon on there, and some romaine lettuce. I did tomato on those of us in the family that like tomato. I do not. I served it alongside of some sun chips and some grapes. The only effort that really this meal took was just frying up a couple of slices of bacon. Super quick and easy, delicious, and that is dinner for Wednesday night. Alright friends, well it is now dinner time on Thursday night, and we're going super simple yet again. If you clicked on this video expecting fancy meals, my apologies, we don't do fancy around here. Tonight for dinner we just have brats and hot dogs. I always like to do hot dogs along with brats when I make this meal, just to cut cost a little bit. So we made up 4 brats and 4 hot dogs. That's one of each for my family of 4. We just did these, you know, super quick and easy. It's another hot day here in Southeast Michigan. So we served this with some ketchup and mustard and relish. I just have ketchup on mine. And we've got some better made potato chips on the side. So that's our super simple, easy dinner for tonight. Happy Friday, everyone. I made Salisbury steak for dinner. Oh my gosh, does this look and smell so good. Whipped it up pretty darn quick, all things considered. Made it with some homemade mashed potatoes and obviously lots and lots of gravy on all of that. And on the side, I did some sauteed zucchini. We're still trying to work through those huge zucchini that we purchased from that little roadside stand. So we got a nice home-cooked meal tonight. I really wanted to take the time and make something good because we've been doing lots of quick and easy lately, and I had the time today, so that is dinner for tonight. Okay, so Saturday night dinner, we are back to super simple and easy. For tonight's dinner, we've got chicken sandwiches. I used the red bag chicken from Aldi. You guys know how much I love that stuff. And actually, Robbie made dinner tonight. It's really easy. All you got to do is throw the chicken in the oven for 40 minutes. So we've got the chicken breast fillets on there. I've got a little bit of mayo and lettuce. This is a pretzel bun, which makes it extra special. The pretzel in combination with the chicken is superb. And then we've got some more pretzels on the side. And that is super simple dinner for Saturday night. Oh, yeah. The pretzel buns from Pretzilla.
Awesome.
We got these at Walmart? Walmart. So good. Highly recommend these. All right, that's dinner. So I realized I never showed you guys Sunday night's dinner, and that's because I totally forgot to film it. We had the simplest thing ever to wrap up our week. We had one of those bird's eye voila skillet meals, like one skillet freezer meals, super easy. It was a shrimp dish. I'll put a picture up here of what it looked like. It was just, you know, something that you could throw together all in one pot. Really, really delicious and easy. Highly recommend those for busy nights. That's it, friends. Those are the meals we ate this week. Like I said, really short, sweet, simple, but delicious. If you like this video, as I said in the intro, please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. I post new budgeting and lifestyle content here on my channel every single week. I'd love to have you come back, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.